Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So welcome back to our digital clock series. Today we're going to be constructing our label. So last video we looked at the label class. So we're literally just going to now create our own. So we've brought in Tkinter, so tk.label. Alright, so we need to then, what is this label going to be associated with? It's going to be associated with our first TK object, our window. Then we're going to do font, and I'm just going to use, and this needs to be in a tuple. So times, is it times? Yeah, times New Roman. All right, then 100 font, and we can play around with this later. Then, like I showed you, we're going to do background, and let's make this black. Oops, and then comma, and then let's do foreground, and let's make this white. And here we are. So we now have closed this out. So let's put this in and just kind of look at what we're going to be doing next time. So now that we have a label object, now I'm going to give you a little bit of foreshadowing. Holy moly. So this is now everything. These are all the methods associated with that object, and we're going to need to utilize this because we're going to create a function. So now we're going to, because the reason why I love this example so very much about the digital clock is because it goes hand in hand, because I want you to think about this. It's updating the time every second, and I'm going to show you how to handle that. But right now, I don't have anything to put out. So I want to show you, we've created the object, and like I said, we just called dir on our label object, and we just saw all of these methods that we have at our disposal. So we're going to utilize a couple of these because that's how Python's going to know what in the world to do with it. To then take this, what are you going to do with this label? What are you going to put through this label that is going to be with this font, with this background color, and with this foreground color? And then this is how you link this information together. So please go ahead and jump down in the Discord down there and give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you have not done that yet, and I will try really hard not to take that personally. But as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.